Today we are going to discuss some problems based on this thermodynamics. Okay, so see here, Ganesh, maybe that is your problem. Check your internet. If equilibrium constants for the reactions are given below, these are the reactions with equilibrium constants K1, K2, K3. These are the equilibrium constants. He want to find out equilibrium constant for this reaction and this reaction. There are two problems, right? There are two problems, so A and B. Okay, so see here. So by using these three equations, you can collect this equation. So I'm doing problem here. That is, so N2 plus 2O2 reversible with 2N2O4 for that purpose. So I'm adding this 1 and 2 equations. 1 plus 2, add these two equations. 1 and 2 and 2. Add these two equations, reactants side, product side. Whenever reactions are added, so those equilibrium constants are going to be multiplied. Okay, so see here, half N2 plus half O2 plus half O2, half O2 plus half O2 O2 and half O2 plus half O2 O2 plus NO plus NO reversible with product side NO plus NO2. Now mu K is equal to K1 into K2 as per your yesterday's knowledge. As per your yesterday's knowledge. Now reactant side NO, product side NO is completed. Okay, therefore half N2 plus O2 give reversible with NO2. Now the new equilibrium constant K1 into K2. New equilibrium constant K1 into K2. But in product side we require N2O4. So N2O4 equation is this one. But there is a need of 2 N2O4. Therefore, multiply equation 3 with 2 and so see here, this is equation 3 with 2, that is 2 NO2, 2 into 2, 4 NO2 reversible with 2 N2O4 2 N2O4. Okay, so that gives, so just a minute. N2 plus half N2, half O2, NO. NO plus half O2 gives NO2. 2 NO2 reversible with N2O4. 2 NO2 reversible with N2O4. Just a minute. Just a minute, boys. So that is half N2 plus O2 reversible with NO2. It is K1 into K2. K1 into K2. Okay. Now multiply this equation with 2 and so that is 2 into 1 by 2 N2 plus O2 reversible with 2 NO2. So automatically, because it is multiplied with 2, that is K1 into K2 whole square. And K1 into K2 whole square, that is 2 N2 plus, 2 by 2, 1, N2 plus 2 O2 reversible with 2 NO2 and that is K1 into K2 whole square. K1 into K2 whole square. Okay, so this is 2 NO2. 2 NO2. Now take equation 2 and 3. So now I'm taking equation 3Ne, that is 2NO2 reversible with N2O for that is the K3Ne. So add these two equations, 2NO2 gets cancelled. Now the equation is N2 plus 2O2 reversible with N2O for that is K1 into K2 whole square into K3. K1 into K2 whole square into K3. So this is the final equilibrium constant for this equation. So boys, first I am using 1 and 2 addition. 1 and 2 are added, this is the final equation. So that is K1 into K2. So multiply this equation with 2, that is why it is going to be power n. So next, that equation. So like this, therefore after that I added third equation. So third equation, therefore finally we will get our required equation. So this is our required equation. So now K is K1 into K2 whole square into K3. Okay. Where it is 2. Okay. So yes, 2. N2 plus. So it is no 2. It is equation is unbalanced. Yes, this is corrected. This is correct. That is unbalanced. Ready? Question may be wrong. So that is the correct answer. Therefore, K1 into K2 whole square into K3. So that is why I confused that, because of 2N2O4 is not possible. N2 plus 2O2 reversible with N2O4, that is balanced equation. Therefore, the final K is K1 square into K2 square into K3. K1 square into K2 square into K3. This is the final equilibrium constant. Okay. Next one. Next one, try yourself, boys. Boys, try yourself for next one, just like in before case. Try yourself. 2NO2 reversible with 2NO plus O2. 2NO2 reversible with 2NO plus O2. Take second equation. So for getting 2NO2, so multiply this equation with 2. So equation 2 into 2. That is why we get 2NO plus O2 reversible with 2NO2. Therefore, it is K2 square. K2 square multiplied with 2. Next, but we want reverse equation. For reverse equation, reverse this equation. That is 2NO2 reversible with 2NO plus O2. Therefore, it is 1 by K2 square. If equation is reversed, K is equal to 1 by K. That is 1 by K2 square. Yes, 1 by K2 square. So this is the way to calculate by using these equations. Okay. So this is one model. Next one. Next one. Kp for the reaction. Kp for the reaction at a given temperature NO gas plus half Br2 gas reversible with NOBr gas is 2 and is 2. If the reaction is carried out, if the reaction is carried out, by taking initially, boys, do yourself, please take in pen and paper and solve along with me. Initially NO, Br2, NO, Br at the partial pressures of of 2, 2.25 and 3 atmospheres respectively. Identify the partial pressure of Br2 increases or decreases. I should identify the partial pressure of Br2 increases or decreases. It is a question. See here. Kp for the reaction is given to you. For this Kp, that is equilibrium concentration. At equilibrium, this is the constant. But if the reaction is carried out by taking initially, that is not at equilibrium, but NO, Br2, NO, Br, these are the reactions. So these are the initial partial pressures. So what is that equation? See here. That is NO gas plus half Br2 gas reversible with NO, Br gas. So initial case, boys, not at equilibrium, not at equilibrium. Initially, how much is taken? NO 2 atmospheres. Next Br2 2.25 atmospheres and NOBr 3 atmospheres. So because these are the partial pressures, and initially by using this partial pressure, I can calculate QCN, because so that is the constant at other than equilibrium conditions. That is the constant at other than equilibrium conditions. So therefore, I am calculating QC. QC is equal just similar to Kc, that is the partial pressure of NOBr by partial pressure of NO and partial pressure of Br2 whole power 2. Partial pressure of Br2 whole power 2, which is equal to partial pressure of NOBr, that is the 3, by partial pressure of NO, which is 2, into 2.25 whole square. 2.25 whole square, which is equal to 3 into 3 by 2 into, it is 1.5, that is equal to 3 by 1.52, that is how much? 3 by 2, which is equal to 1.52 and 3 ending, which is equal to 1 Ra. Therefore, here QC is equal to 1 Ra, but Kc is equal to 2 Ra given to you. Here QC less than Kc. QC less than Kc Ra. Therefore, in this case, reaction proceeds forward direction. So therefore, reaction proceeds forward direction. Forward direction. Therefore, reaction forward direction. This is the direction of the reaction because QC less than Kc. Therefore, because of this, bromine concentration decreases because it is involved in the reaction. Therefore, partial pressure of Br2 decreases because forward reaction takes place. Whenever forward reaction takes place, reactants concentration or partial pressures are decreased. So partial pressure of NOBr is increased. Here QC less than Kc. QC less than Kc. Right? It is 2.25 whole power 1 by 2. I am taking it is as 2. So root 2.25 is nothing but 1.5. Root 2.25 is nothing but 1.5. So answer is correct. So do you have any doubt based on this problem? Is there any doubt? It is the way to solve the problem. Next one. Next question. A gas plus B gas reversible with C gas plus D gas. For this, K is equal to 1 by 9 at 298 Kelvin. At 298 Kelvin. Full stop. At 298 Kelvin, above reaction is carried out. Above reaction is carried out by taking 2 moles. By taking 2 moles each of A, B, C and D in 2 liter closed vessel, in 2 liter closed vessel, find the equilibrium concentration of all the gases. Find the equilibrium concentrations of all the gases. See boys, there is a reaction. So what is that reaction? I'm giving the solution. See here, A plus B reversible with C and D. C and D. Okay. So for this, equilibrium constant is given to you. Equilibrium constant. So at the beginning, initial case. So what he had, he considered, so 2 moles each of the all reactants and products. That is 2 moles. So boys, all these are 2 moles initially taken in a 2 liter vessel. So it is initial number of moles. It is initial number of moles. It is initial number of moles. Okay. So during course of reaction, so forward reaction takes place at equilibrium. From this X moles are going to be involved in the reaction. So therefore, at equilibrium, so from this X is involved. For this, if it is X, it is 1 mole, it is involved in 1 mole. Therefore, how much is the remaining? That is 2 minus X is the remaining. Actually, 2 is taken. In this 2, X is involved in the reaction. Now the remaining concentration, remaining number of moles. 2 minus X is the remaining number of moles. Next, here also, because it is 1 mole, it is also 1 mole involved in the reaction. Here also 2 minus X involved in the reaction. So if it is 1 mole involved in the reaction, it is 1 mole is formed. From this X and X involved in the reaction, here X and X are formed. So concentration of products increases. Therefore, its value is 2 plus X. Its value is 2 plus X. So these are the equilibrium number of moles. These are the equilibrium number of moles. At equilibrium number of moles. Next, at equilibrium concentration is equal to number of moles by volume in liters. Concentration is nothing but number of moles by volume in liters. How many liters of the vessel is taken? 2 liters. Therefore, at equilibrium concentration is equal to 2 minus X by 2. 2 minus X by 2 number of moles by volume in liters. It is 2 plus X by 2. It is 2 plus X by 2. 2 plus X by 2. Now, Kp, that is K value is given to you. K is equal to, that is equal to concentration of C into concentration of D by concentration of A into concentration of B. That is equal to 2 plus X, 2 plus X by 2, 2 plus X by 2 by 2 minus X by 2, 2 minus X by 2. Its value is given as 1 by 9. Its value is given as 1 by 9. Okay. So now 2 gets cancelled. Therefore, finally we will get, that is 2 plus X whole square by 2 minus x whole square is equal to 1 by 9. Therefore, 2 plus x by 2 minus x is equal to 1 by 3. Now, x is equal to, after final calculation, x is equal to minus 1 and we get x is equal to minus 1 and substitute this minus 1 here. X is equal to minus 1. Now, he find out equilibrium concentrations. Put x is equal to minus 1 here. So, we will get, so x is equal to minus 1. It is minus 1. It is minus 1. It is minus 1. Therefore, we got, so minus 1 minus plus, it is a 3 by 2 concentration. It is also 3 by 2 concentration. It is 2 minus 1, 1 by 2 concentration. It is a 1 by 2 concentration. These are the equilibrium concentrations, boys. So these red letters, so these are the concentrations at equilibrium. So I'm calculating, I calculated x value, that x value as minus 1. So substituted that x value in the concentrations. So these are the equilibrium concentrations. And these are the equilibrium concentrations. Then finally, the answer is, so it's the equilibrium concentration 3 by 2, it's the equilibrium concentration 3 by 2, its value 1 by 2, its value 1 by 2. Is there any doubt? Okay, right? So F gas reversible with 2B gas, Kc is equal to 10 power minus 8 m. If reaction carried out by taking initial concentration of A as 1 m, find the equilibrium concentration of A and B. Okay, so this is the reaction. Initial concentrations of A is given as 1 m and B is not given as, therefore B is not initially taken in. Therefore, its value is taken as 0. Now, at equilibrium, so something is converted into productant. 1 mole react, that gives 2 moles. Here X is involved in the reaction, that gives 2X component. Therefore, from this X is involved in the reaction. Now, how much is the remaining? 1 minus X is the remaining end. So here, if it is 1 mole involved in the reaction, 2 moles are formed. Here X involved in the reaction, that gives 2X is the productant. That gives 2X is the product. Therefore, these are the at equilibrium concentrations. Now, Kc is equal to concentration of B whole square by concentration of A. That is equal to 2X whole square by 1 minus Xn. So its Kc value is given as 10 power minus 8, which is equal to 10 power minus H. Which is equal to 10 power minus H. Okay. Here, 1 minus x, when compared to 1, x is much more less than any. Therefore, here, 1 is much more greater than x any. Therefore, 1 minus x is considered as x, 1 n. Because x is negligible, so negligible value. Any. So, to simplify the concept, therefore, 2x whole square, that is 2x whole square means 4x square is equal to 10 power minus 8. 10 power minus 8. So, okay. So, that implies x is equal to 10 power minus 8 by 4 under root, which is equal to 10 power minus 4 by 2 under 10 power minus 4 by 2. That is x value. Therefore, at equilibrium. So, how much is the value? That is 1 by 2. X is equal to 1 by 2 into 10 power minus 4, which is equal to 0.5 into 10 power minus 4, which is equal to 5 into 10 power minus 5. 5 into 10 power minus 5 is the x value. Substitute those x values here. Therefore, so concentration of A at equilibrium, concentration of A at equilibrium, which is equal to 1 minus x, nothing but 1 minus 5 into 10 power minus x. Find out, my dear boys. Find out, my dear boys. So that is the concentration of C and E. Concentration of B is equal to 2x. That is 2 into 5. 5 into 10 power minus 5, which is equal to 10 into 10 power minus 5, which is equal to 10 power minus 4. So these are the equilibrium concentrations. These are the equilibrium concentrations. See, boys, it is a 10 power minus 8, 10 power minus 8. Value is correct or wrong? Boys, is the derivation is correct or wrong? Check once again. It is 1 minus x, 4x square, 4x square 4x square is equal to 10 power minus 8. Therefore, by 4 root means minus 4. Yes, it is correct. Yes, it is correct. Okay, this is the answer. This is the answer. So these are the concentrations of A and B at equilibrium. Concentrations of A and B at equilibrium. So this is the way to do the problems. Ikkada important entante here initial concentration is given to you, but initially B is not considered. That is why the value is taken as 0 only. Find the concentration of H plus ion in 0.1 m acetic acid aqueous solution. Aqueous solution if equilibrium constant for the dissociation of the acid is for the dissociation of acid is 2 into 10 power minus 5 m. So 2 into 10 power minus 5 m, that is the equilibrium constant for the dissociation of acid. And he wants to find out the concentration of H plus ion. So what is that acid? Acetic acid. That is acetic acid. See here, acetic acid. How much is taken? 0.1 m initially taken. Acetic acid formula, that is CH3 COOH, which is dissociated into CH3 COO minus ion and H plus ion. CH3 COO minus ion, H plus ion. It is the dissociation of weak acetic acid. So here we consider complete dissociation. So therefore, initial concentration. Initial concentration means at the time T is equal to 0. Just now the reaction started, so no products are formed. So initially, how much is the concentration of acetic acid? 0.1. How much is the ions concentration? So reaction not started, that is no products are formed. Reaction not started, no products are formed. Now at equilibrium. That means the T is taken as a T equilibrium at equilibrium temperature. So the concentration is equal to something from 0.1, X is dissociated or alpha is dissociated. Therefore, how much is the remaining? 0.1 minus X is there. So here 1 mole is involved in the dissociation. 1 mole of this one and 1 mole of this one is formed. Here X is involved in the reaction. Therefore, here X is formed. So this is the equation, boys. So these are the equilibrium concentrations of this acetic acid, acetate ion, and H plus ion. So by using these, you should identify the Kc value and equilibrium constant. Therefore, Kc is equal to CH3 COO minus ion concentration into H plus ion concentration by CH3 COOH concentration. CH3 COOH concentration. That is equal to X into X by 0.1 minus Xn. The value of this one is given as 2 into 10 power minus 5. So that is equal to 2 into 10 power minus 5. Okay. So once again I am considering, so when compared to 0.1, this X value is negligible. So here, so X is much more less than that of 0.1. Therefore, 0.1 minus X, I consider almost equal to 0.1. So otherwise the calculation is too much difficult. Therefore, Therefore, x square by 0.1 is equal to 2 into 10 power minus 5. Therefore, x square is equal to 2 into 10 power minus 6. That implies x is equal to root 2 into 10 power minus 3. X is equal to root 2 into 10 power minus 3. He want to calculate. So now find the concentration of H plus ion. So H plus ion concentration is nothing but Xn. That X value is this much. Therefore, H plus ion concentration is equal to, which is equal to X, which is equal to root 2 into 10 power minus 3 m. This is the way to calculate H plus ion concentration. H plus concentration is at equilibrium is X, that value is this much. Therefore, it is the concentration of H plus ion. So that is root 2 and yes, root 2. Root 2 means 1.414, use it. So 1.414 into 10 power minus 3 is the concentration of that H plus ion. Okay, but next one. Try yourself. A gas plus 2B gas reversible with 2C gas. For this, Kc is equal to 10 power 10. 10 power 10. At T is equal to 0, concentration of A is 0.1 m. It is 0.8 m. Its value is 0. Find the equilibrium concentration. Equilibrium concentration of A. Find the equilibrium concentration of A. Try yourself, my dear boys. Waiting for you. Solve yourself. Vivek. Okay. Try yourself. These are the initial concentrations. So he wants to find out equilibrium concentration of A. So apply conditions. Apply conditions. That is, at equilibrium, at T is equal to T equilibrium. So from this 0.1 minus X is involved. X is involved in the reaction. If it is 1 mole, it is 2 moles is involved in the reaction. Therefore, from this 0.8 minus 2X is the involved in the reaction. 2X involved in the reaction. Now, so it is 1 mole, it is 2 moles, now it is 2 moles, and that is, it is 2x is formed. 2x is formed. So now apply conditions. Now apply conditions. That is, so how much it is? So equilibrium constant Kc is equal to equilibrium concentration K is equal to, so that is 2x whole square, that is C square, by 0.1 minus x into 0.8 minus 2x, which is equal to, the given value is 10 power 10. See boys, listen carefully, listen carefully. It is 10 power 10. 10 power 10 means it is greater than 10 power 3. It is greater than 10 power 3 means, as per our yesterday's concepts, so if equilibrium constant greater than 10 power 3, it is reaction is almost going to completion. Reaction is almost going to completion. That is why I am taking this x value as 0.1, because it is completely consumed. Because it is completely consumed. So concentration of A is almost becomes 0 only. Concentration of A almost becomes 0. So see here, I am trying once again. Because that is the 10 power 10, reaction almost going to be completion. So therefore, its value is almost 0 only, concentration of A. Concentration of A, that is almost 0 only. Next, it is, take that x value is 0.1, it is 0.8 minus 2 into 0.1, which is equal to 0.6 is the concentration of B, and 0.6 is the concentration of B. Now, it is 2 into 0.1, which is 0.2 is the concentration of C, and 0.2 is the concentration of C. Okay, so therefore, almost concentration of B is nearer to 0.6 because it is almost nearer to completion. Not 0, not exactly, it is almost nearer to completion. So not the completed by boys. So concentration of C is almost is taken as a 0.2. 0.2. So now apply the condition. Our formula, it is not exactly any, almost 0, not exactly 0. Almost 0, not exactly 0. That is why I am using equilibrium condition. So Kc is equal to concentration of C whole square by concentration of A into concentration of B whole square. So that implies 10 power 10 is equal to concentration of C 0.2 whole square by concentration of A. Concentration of B is 0.6 whole square. 0.6 whole square. So therefore, finally we will get concentration of A is equal to, that is 1 by 9 into 10 power minus 10. It is almost 0, not exactly equal to 0.